You happy with that?
Maybe.
What's the next bit? Let me see the shit.
I need to go through what we did with the compressor.
And the bus compressor?
Yeah, hang on 1 second.
Okay. It's not difficult, it's just the patch bay, which is a nightmare. I don't know who set it up.
Okay. Okay.
The bus compressor,
Yeah.
you go attention key to the stereo one twice.
Oh yeah, I've got the attention button.
With dynamics, of course dynamics must be in this one, right? Then you go assign, patch, and you select 23 and then F4, patch, then 23
Yeah.
and then F4. I said F4, shit, fuck me, oh sorry sorry.
What?
I just assigned 23 to 1. Okay. How do you do that? 23. Maybe you just have to call attention to 23, don't you? Fuck. Assign. Patch. 23. Yeah. First to call attention to 23.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which attention button though?
This one. Compressor.
Yeah. Okay.
And then you see on the meters you said dyno 23 24 here, and then you have to patch as we did. Take the master insert, sign inside the dynamics 23 24 and the output back into the return of the 23 24 and you're done. And then you can fuck around with compressors on your bus.